The Mersenne is Zanzibar's most Instagrammable beach resort on the eastern coast.
Are you saying when we are coming, we take this whole route we have come through?
Me and my friends have just checked into the presidential suite here at Mersenne. First, check out Maurice's room. This is how the arrangement is like. This is my outfit of the evening.
So let's do a quick room tour of the standard room and see how they look like.
Tuna check in.
Dakika moja.
Thank you. And here are the boys. By the way, let me use this chance to introduce these people. This is called Maurice.
No.
Hi, Maurice.
No.
Maurice, what do you do for a living? Hi, Joseph.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Talk about yourself, Kalito.
I'm Joseph, and I work for a company called Kutamani Safaris. We do luxury and mid-range safaris in East Africa, Uganda, Kenya, Tanzania, and Rwanda.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, and this is one of the
This is one of the places you're going to be sailing now. Kari. And this is Sulaiman.
Yes.
Hi, Sula.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Oh, fine. Talk about yourself, Kalito, a little.
Everyone. Sulaiman is my name. Team leader at Karibu Adventure Safaris. We strictly deal in good stays, that's mid-range and luxury safaris. Yeah, and anything beautiful, from events to mice to conferences to everything. Yeah.
And for the last time, this is Maurice, who does people for a living, okay?
Habari ya safari.
You do know English? Me, I speak English only. Yeah.
Wait, so are you saying when we are coming, we take this whole route we have come through? If I'm walking back?
No, it's near the bus.
So if I'm walking, I can just
Yeah, you can walk like 1 minute to restaurant, 1 minute to it's few seconds to restaurant.
Soko vile recording ane bio soko vile.
Karibu.
Yeah.
Hi fam, me and my friends have just checked into the presidential suite here at Mersenne, and I'm going to take you guys on a little tour of our presidential suite. But unless otherwise, this is my outfit of the evening. It's gorgeous. Clap for me, okay? Also, we are using the velvet sugar from Soap Appetizing. If you didn't know Soap Appetizing yet, run to Arena Mall in Uganda, okay? It's a gorgeous. Anyway, let's first do this room tour. Room tour? Suite tour. You guys, can you get I'm excited? Can you guys? Where am I doing this? But can you guys tell I'm excited? Anyway, let's do this. Let's first check out Maurice's room. You know when a boy pushes you like that. Anyway, this is the hallway to our room. So there is 1, 2, 3, and right down the hallway, that's my room. Let's check out this room anyway, because I know there is nobody here. Also, on arrival, you get 2 access cards. So 2 of you get to have the room. This is the whole room setup. The rooms upstairs, this is how they are set up. So you get a little reading table here. It comes with 4 bottles of water. And over here, you get the bed, obviously. There is a sitting arrangement over there, the phone for room service. There is a small mirror situation around here. And then over here, yeah, over here you get the safe. You get the 2 robes, the hangers are there, the shoes. And here, you get, here, this is a what? This is a hair dryer, yeah? It's a hair dryer, you guys can see that. Then over here is the bathroom. So his bathroom looks a little bit different from my situation. So this is the bathroom here. Then over here, over here you're having all the hotel amenities. We are having we are having the comb. There is we're having we're having a dental kit, a comb, shoe shine, sewing kit. Oh, there's a sewing kit. Meanwhile, this is actually really, really necessary. Let me show you something. My dress, the back of my dress. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, the back of my dress tore. So the sewing machine could actually come in handy. There's a shower kit. There's a lot of situation here. There's a hand wash over there. There is body lotion. Yeah, and there is a small message over here. You guys can read that. And there's a sanitary bag. This is actually very thoughtful. So yeah, all the other rooms are pretty much the same upstairs. So my room, Maurice's room, and Sulaiman's room look alike. So let's go downstairs and then I can show you how Joseph's room looks like. The last person, let's go through Joseph's room quick. This is how it looks like. So there is a little balcony situation over there. This is how the sitting arrangement is like. I'll not show you here because it's his personal stuff anyway. But yeah, there's a balcony here. And you get the view to the JT. And the other side also there's a pool outside. So let's go. Now for the sitting room, this is how the arrangement is like. There is a little TV area over here. So we're having this sitting arrangement for the TV. The TV is there, so you guys can watch over there. There's a dining over here. And there's also a counter situation there, I think for, yeah, you can get that. And there's another lounge over here. This is facing the swimming pool, so you guys can see the swimming pool outside. Yeah? Yeah, the swimming pool is here. And you guys can see what I was telling you. There are other apartments over there. So yeah. Oh! Now let's actually go outside and see the rest of the hotel. I hope I can do all of that. But yeah, let's go. Oh, you guys are look gorgeous. Where are the boys? The boys left me. Yeah. By the way, I have found Morris. Hi, Morris. Morris, tell people what you do. You people, Morris said he eats people for a living. But you guys, I'm on a serious note. Morris is also a tour operator. He does, wait. Meanwhile, from the JT, that over there is our room. Yeah. And this is the JT that leads you to the rest of the rooms here. I'm a play. Hola.
Guys, good morning. We are currently here at Mersenne. We are checking out their rooms. They have different room options. So right now we are on a standard block. Is where they have their standard rooms from. So let's do a quick room tour of their standard rooms and see how they look like.
My picture, I posted in someone because someone has an opinion.
Yeah.
Or for it. Selling for a room.
180. Oh, right. So over here they have a few amenities that you would find usually in a bathroom, but now they are more in an open setting. So obviously you're getting the body lotion, hand wash, and over here I showed you guys the amenities they have in this little toilet basket, and over there you have a safe lock, and you get two, what's that called, two robes, and this is how the rest of the room looks like. Yeah, so it also comes with a garden view over there, and over here, wait a minute, over here you have a bathtub. So you have a bathtub option and you have a bathroom option. Yeah, in this deluxe room you get the views over the ocean, but everything else inside is almost or pretty much the same. Let me show you guys a little. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Hi Morris, good morning. So on the balcony they have this little situation. You have a sitting area over here and you get the views of the garden. This is the garden, but if you guys can see over there, let me turn a little bit. Over there you can see the lakes. The lake is there, so you also get a little lake view. Yeah, so these are all the other rooms. Let me turn. Those are all the other standard rooms. So there are 10 rooms up and 10 rooms down. So if you guys want ordinary rooms, family vacation, oh, it can host up to 40 people for ordinary. Yeah, and it is quite affordable. And yeah, don't forget, if you like to book for this amenity, do not forget to actually check down in the description box. There is travel buddies, there's our email, and there's our contact. You can book this hotel with me. We are going for a safari blue, but before we do that, I thought I would do you guys a small quick hotel tour or resort tour. Yeah.
Run, run.
I run back.
that sandbank was actually beautiful. Let's pass aside. So yeah, you guys, I have not shown you the coded on the sandbank, but I'm going to be posting the pictures over on my gram. I'm going to put it here, so do not hesitate to rush there. Okay.